What if you could automate repetitive work using AI and save hours every single day? This isn't just a dream, it's a digital reality that is accessible to everyone right now. Welcome. Today, I'm giving you the absolute ultimate roadmap to AI automation. We're going from zero to building full-scale digital systems in just 10 minutes. The average professional spends 40% of their time on manual, repetitive tasks. Today, we're going to learn how to outsource that to an AI workforce that never sleeps. The businesses that master AI today will lead the markets of tomorrow. This isn't just about speed, it's about shifting your focus to high-level strategy and creativity. The goal is simple: spend less time on spreadsheets and more time on the work that actually moves the needle. Let's start with the brain of the entire system. Section 1. The engine. To build a smart system, you first need a brain. We're starting with large language models, our decision makers. Models like GPT-4 aren't just chatbots, they are reasoning engines. They can process information, understand context, and make complex decisions in milliseconds. At the core, these models see data as patterns. They don't just search for an answer, they compute the most logical next step based on the data you feed them. When an automation receives data, like a customer complaint, the AI reads it, identifies the sentiment, and decides exactly how to draft the response. This intelligence is what separates modern AI automation from old school if this, then that rules. We can now handle nuance and complexity at a massive scale. To master the engine, you must master the prompt. You have to tell the AI exactly how to think and act within the specific context of your workflow. We use techniques like few-shot prompting and chain of thought to ensure the AI's logic is flawless every single time it runs. Modern AI has a huge context window. This means you can feed it your entire business handbook and it will use that knowledge to answer every query accurately. Now for section 2, the toolkit. You need the plumbing to connect your AI brain to the real world and your favorite apps. Let's look at the standards. Zapier is for speed and simplicity. It's the fastest way to connect two apps. Make.com is for power. It's a visual node-based playground for systems. Every flow starts with a trigger, a new lead in your CRM, a mention on social media, or an incoming attachment. It's the spark that starts the fire. In Zapier, you just connect your accounts, select the event, and the workflow is live in seconds. It's designed for quick wins and immediate ROI. But when you need loops, complex filters, and multi-branch logic, Make.com is where the real power lies. It's a visual map of your entire business logic. In Make, every circle is a module. We can filter data between these modules, ensuring the AI only processes information that meets your criteria. If you're in sales, Clay is your secret weapon. It connects to hundreds of data sources to enrich your leads before the AI even sees them. Section 3. System logic. This is how you turn a simple automation into a robust digital system. We're talking error handling and data mapping. Ever had to process 100 leads at once? We use iterators to loop through data, ensuring the AI treats every single item with the same intelligence. Routers allow us to send data down different paths. High-value leads go to Slack, low-value leads go to a monthly email list. Perfect segmentation. Systems fail. API is go down, but smart systems fix themselves. I'll show you how to build error paths so your business never stops running. Now, let's get practical. Section 4. We're building a live content powerhouse that schedules 10,000 tasks a month from one Google Doc. We'll connect a Google Doc, use an LLM to generate social posts, and schedule them across 3 platforms instantly. Watch the flow. Watch as the system reads the article, creates unique captions for every platform, and picks hashtags, all while we're talking 100% automated. And just like that, a month's worth of content is ready to go. No manual typing, no copy pasting. This is the future of digital leverage. Once you master the logic, there is no limit. This is how you build a scalable AI-driven company from your bedroom starting today. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's here. The only question is, will you build the systems or be replaced by them? Don't wait. Subscribe to join the elite group of creators building the future with AI. I'll see you in the next masterclass. Let's get to work. One of the most important skills is data mapping. This is how you tell the AI exactly which piece of info from an email goes into which field in your CRM. It's like translating two different languages. You define the structure once, and the system handles the heavy lifting for every lead that comes in. But what if an app doesn't have an integration? We use webhooks. Think of it as a secret handshake between two software programs to share data instantly. A webhook sends a real-time push notification as soon as something happens. This allows for near-instant responses in your automated systems. With custom API requests, we can connect almost any tool with an internet connection. This is how you build truly bespoke proprietary systems. You just set the endpoint, add your authentication, and your off-the-shelf automation tool becomes a custom-built software powerhouse. Advanced logic means using routers. We can analyze an incoming message and send it down different paths based on the content or priority. This ensures that high priority tickets go to your best agent instantly, while routine questions are handled entirely by the AI without you ever seeing them. In the real world, things break, but in an automated world, we build safety nets. If an API call fails, the system retries or alerts you immediately. We never want a system to just stop. We build fallback paths so your business logic is resilient and continues to provide value 24/7. The ROI here is massive. You pay a few dollars a month for a tool that performs the work of a full-time employee. That is the leverage of the future. Scaling isn't just about more work, it's about freedom. Automation allows you to grow your output without growing your stress or your overhead. Let's dive back into our 10,000 task build. Phase 1 is the intake. We're capturing every new idea from a central hub automatically. As soon as you type an idea into your phone or laptop, the system sees it and triggers the entire AI production line. No more lost ideas. Phase 2 is the prompting layer. We use GPT-4 to take that raw idea and expand it into a full content strategy for 3 different platforms. Watch as the system reads the article, creates unique captions for every platform, and picks hashtags, all while we're talking 100% automated. Phase 3 is the sync. We take those generated posts and push them out to Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn simultaneously. One idea, massive reach. And just like that, a month's worth of content is ready to go. No manual typing, no copy pasting. This is the future of digital leverage. Once you master the logic, there is no limit. This is how you build a scalable AI-driven company from your bedroom starting today. These are the skills of the next decade. Don't just use AI, build with it. Automate the boring so you can focus on the brilliant. Subscribe to join the elite group of creators building the future with AI. I'll see you in the next masterclass. Let's get to work. Subscribe to stay at the absolute edge of AI technology. I'll see you in the next masterclass. Let's get to work. You now have the roadmap. The tools are ready, the logic is clear, and the potential is infinite. Go out there and build your future. Thanks for watching. Keep building, keep automating, and I'll see you at the top. The future is yours to create. Their systems aren't just for tech giants. They are being used right now by e-commerce owners, realtors, and solo creators to scale their impact without scaling their workload. The gap between those who use AI and those who build with AI is growing every day. By finishing this masterclass, you are putting yourself in the top 1% of digital builders. You have the tools, the logic, and the roadmap. Now, go out there and build something that changes the way you work forever. I'll be here for the next one.